you how to do some of the calculations you will need to perform in the ozone data set that you'll be analyzing in this week's lab. So you've already had some experience making graphs in Excel, but we didn't have any experience using the formula bar. It's really easy. This is not the ozone data set. This is a data set that I'm currently working on for a research project. But in the ozone data set, you are going to calculate mean, median, and standard deviation for ozone. I'm going to show you how to calculate these using formulas in the formula bar in Excel, but I'm going to use this Zizania palustris or wild rice shoot length data that are in this R column. So Excel makes it really easy to do this. You click on the formula bar and you type in the formula. So for calculating a mean or an average, the formula is equals. So you always start with equals. You type the word average, you open the parenthesis, and then we're going to grab the data. I'm not going to grab the label for the data. I'm just going to grab the values. And then I'm going to close the parenthesis and press enter. So there's my mean Zizania palustris or wild rice shoot length, 127.33 centimeters. If I wanted to calculate a median, I would go back to that formula bar. I would click equals. I'm always going to start with equals. Type out the word median in all caps, open the parenthesis. I'm going to go back to the same data. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to close the parentheses and then hit enter. So there's my median value. 118 centimeters is the median for this data set. And then finally, I'm going to calculate a standard deviation, which tells us how the data are distributed around the mean. So to do that, once again, I'm going to go to the formula bar. I'm going to click equal. For standard deviation, the formula is S, right there, sdiv dot s. I'm going to click open parentheses. Then I'm going to grab the data. I'm going to close the parentheses, and then I'm going to hit enter. So I have a standard deviation around this mean of 34.42. So you are going to do these calculations using the formula bar in Excel in table 1 in the ozone data. You'll be using different data, but the methods that you'll use are going to be the same. Please let me know if you have any questions about this.